What's up, guys? It's me, Galaxy Dino here, and welcome to another Super Smash Mobs. I am playing with myc2003 today.
Why does it always sound like a dragon?
Because it probably is. Oh, baby. No! I jump! What the heck? I didn't even double jump! Oh my god, that is a piece of crap. And the skeleton almost just shot me off again. Oh my god, stupid.
Oh god, no. Oh, this is...
Oh yeah, I hit the skeleton with my bomb. Screw you, Skelly. It's your time to die.
Dude, go away. Go away.
No, I got killed? You killed me! I used explode. I said don't use explode. I thought you were talking about the Enderman. Go away. Get away from me. Don't use explode when I'm near you.
Oh, I just used it on the Enderman, and it was a savior too. I saved myself from getting pushed off, and I killed the Enderman.
Oh, slime rocket for the win. Slime for the win.
Slime is actually a really good class.
Oh, my slime dropped.
No. What the heck?
Man. Oh, I just slammed him. No! Go away. Oh, that's annoying. Oopsies.
I just separated. Oh god.
Why? No, we both have one. Why does there always have to be an Enderman in these games? That's what you're doing. No, just help. Screw you. Slime. Oh, I failed the slime. I killed him. That's cool. Dude.
Yes, I killed the skeleton.
Oh, he's right there. I see him.
Whoa.
He just got... Oh, nice!
Explosion for the win.
I see the skeleton. If he comes up, I'm gonna kill him. Bang! Oh, I hit... Oh! It was pro slime hit. No. Help.
Is he out?
No.
Yeah, he's out.
Yeah! It's just me and you. And I know you just use your charge, so...
Actually, I was using that so that I could stay on, but I guess that works too.
No!
People for the win.
We'll be back with the next round, guys. Yep.
I got 50.
Okay, guys, welcome back. We are playing another round. Woohoo!
The lasers are the most
The
annoying.
blaze.
We're playing with another creeper.
I'm a spider too. Are
No.
you a creeper?
Yeah, I'm a creeper. There's somebody a creeper too.
Dang it, I hate this stupid thing. Go away. No one likes fire. No! Dang it, I got killed by lava. Wait, how did she kill me? I got killed by lava. That's me. I did double explosion. Gosh dang it, why did you...
I don't.
No! Everything is exploding in my face. I hear explosions everywhere. Oh, I just heard Firefly. I'm
Oh god, no! I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Jeez.
Yes, the blaze died. Whoa, no, Firefly. Did you see that?
What?
So the blaze, you know, you hit her in the lava. And then she tried to use Firefly to get out, but then when she used Firefly, she still went down, and then she fell into the lava and died before her Firefly could like actually fly. So she drowned before. So she drowned before her Firefly could actually go into effect.
What the heck? Me and that other creeper killed each other with explode. No, I fell.
Well, it's just me and you, bro.
No! What the heck? I told you explode does a ton. That's why I got him.
No!
Annoying, this
Bastard. You little bastard.
He's exploding, and oh. Spider is
How many explodes does he have?
Whenever we troges.
Oh my god, he does like 3 explosions in a row.
Whenever we troges pretty quick.
Oh my god. Well, anyways, guys, that was Super Smash Mobs. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to comment, like, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.